Hello guys, you are watching Cpahacks. Before watching this video fully, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share these videos those who are interested in affiliate marketing and CPA marketing, because these videos are really gonna be a biggest challenge, and this gonna be life-changing videos because I'm giving many free values in these videos. So please subscribe my channel and get in the update. Okay, now we are in the chapter 4, which means earn $5,000 within 6 days in affiliate marketing. So this is the chapter 4 video. We are going to see about micro niche. In the last chapter we have seen the niche, and in this video we are going to see about micro niche. Micro niche and niche, actually it's not a big difference. Pet is your niche, dog is your micro niche. This is how it's gonna be work. Kitchen is your niche, and gas will be your micro niche. Okay, this is like A to Z, which means it's gonna be like A to B. This is how it's gonna be work. Micro niches will be your $1 million asset, because mostly in 100 out of 100%, 90% of affiliate marketers and online marketers are working only in niches only. Balance 10 people are only working in micro niches. That's why they are getting their success as soon as possible, and they are generating more than $6,000 per week. This is how I'm gonna teach you what are the things you should make to earn your first $5,000 in your next 6 days. Okay, yes. And why you want to choose your micro niche means, micro niche don't have a competition. For an example, if you go and search for pets means, first 100 and first 200 sites will be only about pets, because for niches many experts and many people are working on the niches only, so they will be in the top 100 and top 200. So if you post a content or if you post a videos means, definitely your videos won't get reach, and your blog site won't get reach in your first place. But if you work on micro niches means, if you put the contents means, definitely you will be in the top 3. So all the micro niches searches available will be in your micro niche content only, even in the WordPress or even in the YouTube or any other places. So you will be in the top 5 places. That's why I'm going to tell you why you should use micro niche. Okay, and I'll give you an open challenge bet. If you have minimum of 50 contents about your micro niche means, minimum 50 contents if you have in your blog site or in your YouTube means, definitely you will earn more than $1,000. It's an open challenge, it's an open bet. I'm going to tell you how you should do it. First, as I already said in the last video, you are going to select 50 niches. From that 50 niches you have to select 5 niches. From that 5 niches you are going to select 1 niche, and from the 1 niche you are going to pick your micro niche. Okay, actually I don't have a proper time, or else I will be showing some chart, how this chart gonna be work. Okay, I'll show you some graphs how this takes. Okay, but this all things are available in my private session. If you are available, or if you are interested means, definitely you can contact me in my private session also. Okay, this thing, yes, like 50 content, if you have a minimum of 50 contents or more than 50 contents means about your micro niche, definitely you will earn your first $1,000 within a fraction of days. Okay, and don't choose this niche if you want to success in affiliate marketing. Actually, I will tell you a niche. Definitely you should not choose that niche. If you choose that niche means, definitely you can't earn a single dollar in affiliate marketing. I'll challenge you an open bet. Okay, which niche is that? This may be a this may be a demotivating thing, but this is the fact. If you choose this means, definitely you can't earn in affiliate marketing. What is that niche? Health and fitness. Yes, you're right. Most of the affiliate marketers and most of the YouTube videos who are creating YouTube videos about affiliate marketers will tell choose health and fitness, they will give you more money. But the fact is, if you choose health and fitness niche, means definitely you can't earn money, because health and fitness niche will be health and fitness niches contents are millions of contents are available in the search engines. You can't beat them and you can't come in the first place. You can't come, definitely you can't come in health and fitness in the top place, and there won't be any audience will be available for your contents. Yes, it's an open challenge. You can't earn a single dollar in health and fitness because there are millions of contents are available about health and fitness. So don't take risk. I'll guide you what are the niches you should pick and what are the things and how you should work on it. Okay, everything I will teach you in the next session. So this micro niche will take a $1 million asset from others to you. Okay, they will spend more money on your micro niches content. Most of the people, 19.5 people are just searching their questions only. Most of the people are searching their questions. Most of the people are sharing their worst experience in the search engines only. So you have to pick the contents and you are going to give an answer, then you are getting the money, and within 6 or 7 days you will earn your first $5,000 if you use this proper methods. This is how it's gonna be taking place. Okay, and in the next video totally we are going to use only practical works, not just I'm going to teach you. From the next we are going to take the practical classes. So please don't skip the videos. If you can't understand my language and if you can't understand anything, means please direct message me on Instagram and Telegram at any time. And one more thing I want to share you, as I'm sharing in every videos, our private session. Okay, our private session courses are going on a full-fledged, because I think more than 69 or 68 people have got their results in the last week. They have sent me their screenshot and their results proofs. I'm going to share this proof in my YouTube's, Telegrams and Instagram also. So if you want to know more about the things, means please direct message me on Instagram. And in my course there's a speciality, what means my guidance and my mentorship will be always available with you, and it's a lifetime access. You can ask any doubts at any time. Okay, so please always be ready to start your work. Don't be a people who are just watch others people's success. Be a person who was taking one step away from them and start working. Okay, all the best, and I'll see you in the next chapter 5 video. Until then, it's bye from Cpahacks.